Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's November 28th, Wednesday morning, and seeing a little profit taking in corn and soybeans this morning. And as far as news goes, we've got a limited amount of information here this morning that's affecting grain prices anyway. Traders are still talking about the rally yesterday in the grain complex, and a lot of that was prompted by fund buying with very minimal selling interest on technical resistance levels. So will that continue today? That's the question, and a reason why we're seeing some good support on the slight profit taking that we're seeing overnight. Cash markets have been the focus, and we've seen stronger bean bids at the Gulf, and that could be for two reasons. One is that China may be in buying. That's some of the rumors floating around here this morning that they were in looking for some beans. And the other thing is the closure of this Mississippi waterway between St. Louis and Cairo, and that went to Washington trying to get politicians involved to keep it open, keep the water flowing on the Missouri River, to keep water levels high enough on the Mississippi. Without any success at this point in time, the way things look now, that within a couple weeks we will see the water levels low enough that we will not that the Mississippi will be closed at that level. So we're seeing basis levels below that point increase because they're trying to drag grain away from farmers at this point in time. And when you get up into the Illinois River terminals, their basis has been falling. And we've also got First Notice Day coming up here on Friday, and there's several terminals along the Mississippi that are delivery points, so don't be surprised if there would be some deliveries on corn, even though the basis is very strong. We'll have to see, but if they know that the corn can't move out of their facilities, there may be a play there that could surprise people with deliveries against the Deese contract. Other news, traders are focusing again on Ukraine, that will they or will they not halt wheat exports. And talk now is that because of bread prices showing a sharp increase and rise in Ukraine, that there will have to be some adjustments there in order to try to control food inflation within Ukraine itself. So that'll be monitored closely, and that certainly would be supported to the wheat complex if some new details came out of there. The cash cattle trade, we've got 128 traded yesterday in Texas on very light amount of cattle. Most feedlots are asking 130. We think that packers will need to pay up here this week again as they fill their coolers and meet the retail demand. We expect to see product show some improvement here later this week as we come into the first of the month and the post-Thanksgiving featuring of beef. Boxed beef, however, was a little lower in choice yesterday, down 77 cents. Select was up 77. Pork was higher, 163 higher. So we're seeing a reason there for the strong hog futures. However, cash hogs and December futures have got a wide disparity at this point in time. Futures are several dollars above the cash index. Watch that closely as we go into the month of December. If you got any questions, give us a call here to Allendale at 800-262-7538. I wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.